Does your home have a metal roof on it? And have you been noticing any sort of new leaks popping up? In this video, I'll give you the pros and cons of repairing your metal roof and let you know the signs that your roof will give you when it is time to fully replace it. So the ideal metal repair would be making sure that we replace that entire slope where that leak's coming down into the home. And the reason for that is that way we can cover all of our bases on where that leak may be coming in at, and we can get down to the decking of the home and replace it if needed, if it is rotted out, and then that way we can offer our warranty on that specific slope. Now let's say it's just a simple pipe boot leak. Then we can come in and we can change out that pipe boot, and it's really not a huge deal at all. However, if there is a leak in the middle of a slope, or there's multiple layers on a specific slope where that leak is coming in at, my recommendation would always be to remove and replace that entire slope so we cover all of our bases. We make sure we get down to the decking, change any rotted decking out, and we can put a new metal roofing system on that specific slope. Now, if you're worried about repairing that metal roof and you don't want to have to spend the money that it may take to replace an entire slope, it is possible to replace individual panels depending on what type of metal roof you have and depending on the severity of that leak. Now you're wondering, how long is this metal roof repair going to take? So again, it depends on many different variables. However, a general time frame would be anywhere from a half a day to an entire day out repairing that metal roof. So in my opinion, a metal roof repair is a good fit for a metal roof that is, between the ages of 5 to 10 years old, if not a little bit younger, and it has no additional layers underneath that metal roof. And as far as a metal roof that isn't fit for repair is a metal roof that's 20 plus years old, or it does have additional layers underneath, or if there's multiple areas inside the home where it's leaking kind of scattered throughout that entire roof. At that point, you then know, okay, maybe it's time to think about going ahead and looking at possibilities as far as getting that entire roof replaced. So now you're wondering, how much is it going to cost me to repair my metal roof? And again, that depends on a bunch of different variables, such as the condition of that metal roof, how many leaks are going on. But as a general rule of thumb, if it is a simple repair, you're going to be anywhere between $750 to $2,000. However, if you're getting into a more extensive repair, that can range anywhere from a couple grand upwards to $8,000 to $10,000. Just depends on the severity of the leak and the condition of the roof. If you're not experiencing any leaks inside the home, but you just want someone out there to help maintain the longevity of that metal roof, one thing that Hoel Roofing can do is we can come out there, we can inspect the roof, and if there's no leaks going on, just some minor maintenance issues, we can always help you out in regards to getting some screws replaced, pipe boots sealed up, maybe some pipe boots changed out, just to make sure that you're getting the most out of that metal roof. If you're looking for an honest opinion on what the best route to take for your home would be, please give Hoel Roofing a call at 765-561-4023 or visit us at our website www.hoelrr.com.